Hey everyone, I've been seeing a lot of buzz around the GEEKOM A8 Max lately, especially from folks who need serious power in a tiny package. Whether you're running heavy creative apps, gaming, or just want a reliable workhorse for your home office, this mini PC is getting a lot of attention. I decided to dig into it and see if it's really worth the hype. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, the heart of this thing is the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor. It's not just fast, it's built for heavy multitasking and demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or even running AI tools. I've tried running multiple high-end applications at once, and this little machine handled it without breaking a sweat. If you're someone who juggles a lot of programs or needs to run resource-heavy software, this is a game-changer in a compact form. Now, let's talk memory and storage. The A8 Max comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which is overkill for most people but perfect for those who need that extra headroom. I tested it with large Photoshop files, virtual machines, and even some light AI workloads, and it never slowed down. Plus, the 1TB expandable SSD gives you plenty of space for your files, and the option to expand it further is a nice touch. No more worrying about running out of storage when you're deep into a project. One feature that really stood out to me is the dual LAN ports. If you're working from home or running a small business setup, having a secure, segregated network can make a huge difference. I set up one port for my work devices and another for personal use, and it kept everything running smoothly without any interference. It's a small detail, but it's the kind of thing that makes a big impact in day-to-day use. Gaming is another area where this mini PC shines. Thanks to the powerful Ryzen 9 chip and the integrated graphics, or you can add a dedicated GPU if you want, it handles modern games at decent settings. I ran a few AAA titles on it, and while it's not a full-sized gaming rig, it's more than capable of running games smoothly at 1080p or even 1440p. If you're looking for a compact gaming rig that doesn't take up half your desk, this is a solid option. The connectivity on this thing is next level. It's got USB 4 support, which means blazing fast data transfer speeds, and dual HDMI ports for running dual 8K displays. I hooked it up to two 4K monitors, and the experience was buttery smooth. Whether you're a designer, a video editor, or just someone who loves a multi-monitor setup, this mini PC has you covered. Noise and cooling are always concerns with powerful machines, but the A8 Max stays surprisingly quiet. Even under heavy load, the fan noise is minimal, and the cooling system keeps temperatures in check. I ran stress tests for hours, and it never throttled or got uncomfortably loud. If you want a powerful machine that won't sound like a jet engine, this is a great choice. Now, let's talk about the downsides. First, while the Ryzen 9 is powerful, it's not a desktop-grade CPU, so if you're doing extreme overclocking or need top-tier performance for professional workloads, you might want to look at full-sized desktops. Second, the included Windows 11 Pro is great, but if you're not familiar with it, there might be a slight learning curve. Other than that, it's a fantastic machine. Overall, the GEEKOM A8 Max is a fantastic mini PC for anyone who needs power in a small package. It's great for creative professionals, gamers, and even home office setups. The build quality is solid, the performance is impressive, and the extra features like dual LAN and USB 4 make it stand out. If you're in the market for a compact, high-performance mini PC, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the link below if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. For most buyers, the real question is not whether GEEKOM A8 Max Gaming Mini PC AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS, desktop alternative, 32GB DDR5 and 1TB expandable SSD for design and AI tools, dual LAN, quiet Win 11 Pro mini computer with USB 4, 8K output for home office sounds impressive on paper. But whether strengths like AI-driven DDR memory shortages have led to sign and heavy multitasking and flagship productivity powered by AMD Ryzen 9 actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile. After the first few days of excitement wear off,